come on in. Here is the kitchen. And over here's the living room. Here's the dining room. Here's the bedroom. The master bedroom. This is the twin bedroom because there's two beds. And over here, is the bathroom. And here's the closet with a washer, dryer, storage. This is a skin bear.